Hey folks, Daniel here from PwnCNC. Today's video is part update, part story, and part tease for what's coming next. Last week, I brought one of our Dominator Pro machines, an all-black build, back to my home garage. Right now, it's about 60% assembled, and over the next few weeks, I'll be finishing the build and filming the whole process right here at home. This garage is so special to me because it's where PwnCNC started. From 2019 until early 2023, this garage was our headquarters. Every order, every email, and nearly every product was built and tested right here. Then we moved into a 2,000 square foot facility, and earlier this year, we upgraded again to a 5,000 square foot shop that's been amazing for production. But here's the honest truth. Filming at the facility usually means sacrificing weekends with my family. And while I love what I do, I also want more balance. So I made the decision to bring a Dominator Pro home, not just to build a killer garage setup, but to help me create content more consistently without missing time with the people that matter most. Now, I didn't film every part of the move, but I did capture some B-roll while we were loading the machine into the trailer. And of course, unloading it back here into the garage. So let's roll some of that footage while I talk through what's next. This machine is going to be my permanent at-home CNC setup. Right now, the Dominator Pro is being built in its base configuration and legs kit. But I've placed several upgrade kits directly on the bed of the machine, ready for install in future videos. First up is the Gantry Upgrade, which improves rigidity across the gantry with additional bracing. Then there's the Bed Rigidity Upgrade, which adds reinforcement beneath the bed surface for heavier projects. Next is the Bed Structural Upgrade, which increases stability in the frame as a whole and supports heavier tooling. And finally is the Fifth Leg Upgrade, which adds vertical support for the bed right in the middle where it's needed most. Here's the cool part. I'm intentionally installing these upgrades after the machine is fully built. Why? Because I want to show they can be added later. You don't have to install it all on day one. Time, money, or just your need don't require the upgrades now. You can always come back and bolt them on later when the time is right. That's a big part of the philosophy behind the Dominator platform. Start strong, then scale when you're ready. So what can you expect over the next few weeks? Final assembly of this all-black Dominator Pro. Full install, walkthroughs for each of the upgrades, tips on setting up a small but capable garage CNC setup, and eventually some test cuts and carving content right from this garage. This move isn't just about convenience. It's about creating a sustainable rhythm for content, creativity, and time with my family. I'm pumped to bring you along for the journey. And as always, don't just own your CNC, dominate it. And over the next few weeks, and nearly every product was built. Every order, every email, and and I've already got a few, directly on the bed of the machine, ready for a few,